Hey everybody, so today, man, got this real nice MacBook. This is a 16-inch A2485 M1 Pro MacBook. See, it has the SD card slot here, HDMI, USB-C, and MagSafe 3. Audio jack, if that's important. And it's unfortunate you can't really see it. It does have this very nice, beautiful display. It's actually on right now. It's on. And there's a notch at the top there. And it has that ProMotion display. I believe this is mini LED if I'm not mistaken. But there's a little bit of a notch there. But man, look at this. Look at that. Oh, man. And unfortunately, it's not actually in here for repair. It's in here just to get the data off. Unfortunately, I know, I wish, but I still wanted to show you guys anyway. But man, it's always cool to see stuff that comes in here where we just love what we do here, and we were always fascinated by the machines that do come in here. This is a 16-inch. This is a really nice one. It's the highest end you can possibly get. It's a 2021 model. It has an M1 Pro chip in it, and it's very nice. Unfortunately, we're just mainly getting the data off, and man, I guess they're going to get another one. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but it's a shame that you don't want to do the replacement for the screen on it, because it would be a really fun video. Definitely stay tuned when we get one in that actually does want to replace the screen, and we'll actually do that whole repair. We're just going to get the data off, but I just want to show you guys just a quick little video on a really cool one, and man, the interesting damage that's on there. So anyways, guys, just a quick little video just to show you guys what that type of stuff that we do get in here, and some of the newer stuff as well, because it's always really cool. We're always really fascinated to see the cooler stuff. It would be more fun to actually do the repair, but we got to do what the customer wants, right? And we got to make sure we get them out as soon as we possibly can. So definitely stay tuned for next video that we do with screen replacement on this one, or liquid spill with this one, because we do lots of M1 Pros, M1 Pro Maxes. We deal with a lot of other type of MacBooks or any type of repairs actually for them. We like doing liquid spills. Obviously, that's the #1 thing that we like to do here, and we specialize in, and we also do data recoveries as well. But we're just going to be doing a data transfer for this one. Oh well. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy watching. Just at least see what we get in here. Just a quick little short video to show you guys. It's really fun. Always what we do is like to show you guys the cool stuff that comes in. If you like to do, just leave a like. It really does help us a lot. See you guys next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.